Hey guys, this is Dan from Montana doing a video review for you on an upcoming product, Video Robot. It's with Ponna and Todd. This is a cloud-based software that looks amazing. Like I said, it's a cloud-based software. Welcome to the future of videos. The all-new next-generation video robot is here. Unlimited renders, unlimited flexibility, unlimited text-to-speech, coupled with game-changing features, puts Video Robot miles ahead of any other video app in the market. They finally cracked the code to creating 3D avatar videos, kinetic animation videos, whiteboard videos, sales videos, explainer videos, live action videos, presentations, and a whole lot more, and also in any language from a really easy to use cloud app. Comes with 300 fully customizable video templates in the hottest niches. Just like me, I have no creativity. Solved. Use 300 pro quality done for you templates. No time. Solved. Created videos and easy and takes 6 clicks. No money. Hot niche templates come with ready-made graphics, male, female, voiceovers, and stop wasting time hiring professionals. No experience. Solved. App comes loaded with 300 plus beautifully designed video templates in the hottest in demand markets. First of its kind blank video canvas to create any style of animated video. Don't like templates? Solved. Create unique 3D videos, kinetic videos and whiteboard videos. We already went over that. Need flexible video editor, add 3D avatars, text effects, animations, logo openers, outros, voiceovers, one-click translation, and real-time lip sync technology. This is amazing. Need global reach with videos. Create videos in any language. Create videos without spokespersons. Use our wide variety of human-like 3D avatars and world's best lip sync technology. Logo openers, intros, outros, text effects, motion animation, and next generation live action videos. I really like this because it's cloud-based. It's awesome because you don't have to download a bunch of stuff to your computer and have all this stuff clogging up your machine. Plus, it's accessible from anywhere in the world that you have internet connection. Here's some of the incredible features. 100 done for you 3D avatar video templates, 100 plus kinetic animation videos, 100 plus whiteboard videos, revolutionary blank video canvas, one-click translation, automatic green screen removal. I love that feature. Hottest and in-demand niche video templates with edible text sales scripts. World's best life-like text-to-speech. 40 plus male and female human-like 3D avatars. Real-time second-generation lip sync technology. Hundreds of real professional male and female voiceovers for all templates in the app. In-app audio recording and flexible video editor, stunning logo openers, intros, outros, text effects, and motion animations, and a lot more. Here are just some previews of some of the stuff they've done. I don't want to hit play because I guess I can show you this. I just need to mute the sound. Which I'm not doing very well at. Anyways, whiteboard, text effects. If this is during the launch period, the demo video isn't out yet, but I do have a copy of it for you. If you click the link down below in the video, in the description down below, it will take you to my bonus page and a video walkthrough of the software. So anyways, hope you enjoy this video, and I will talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe, and you guys have an awesome evening.